Hello बच्चों, good morning to all of you. So welcome you all to our official channels, the Aimers. Today we are going to discuss about the light. As I promised you, बच्चा पार्टी, कि that's we have to cover each and everything of a science, and we cover our science levels up to 30th of August. We cover our science level up to 30th of August, as I promised you. So I am here in front of you to cover all the entire portion of a science in a very smooth manner. Okay, so not only matter about the science, as I promised you how to score 100 out of 100 in science, the systematic approach I am here to discuss with you. You just stay calm with me and work on me. Whatever I give you, what's problem I share with you, you just come here and solve the content. Listen, what I am doing now, I start working for you. You see here, this is my material. Okay, I covered each and every aspect, whatever is important for you. So you just keep calm with me, because one good teacher is one, a very good teacher is that one who, before coming to the board, before coming in front of students to teach something, he must prepare it. And I try my level best to do that, because you are just like my younger brother and sister. So your career is my responsibility, bacha. So you just have to be stay calm with me and work with my content. So just start. So now we are going to starting the light chapter of a physics, first chapter of a class 10. You just go through the content what I am giving you. Okay, so start. If you like our content, then share with your friends and comment on and like the video. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. So actually light is actually, we study light in a branch of physics that we call optics. So optics is nothing, it's a branch of physics which deals with the study of light. In a branch of physics, if we study about light, this branch is referred as optics. And we divide, not we, in a physics, optics have divided into two parts. One is ray optics, another is wave optics. Okay? Ray optics is nothing, we generally say ray optics with another name. That one is a geometrical optics. Why? Because in this chapter we will study about geometrical construction, how image form, formation of image, rules behind it. Okay, everything we have to study under it. So we say ray optics is generally a geometrical optics, and wave optics, in which we say how light travel, the propagation of wave, the wave form of a light. Basically, this chapter you will study in class 12. Now in a class 10, same thing you are studying in class 12 also, but in a class 10 we have to go to the up to marks. Remember one more thing, I will teach you not here, I will teach you up to the peak level. So question will come up to this level, you know, here you can automatically answer everything, and I am giving you assurance behind that you are going to score 100 out of 100 in a science. You just keep faith on me. Now not only I teach you this portion, I will teach you also every aspect, whatever is important for you. Okay, so coming in front of us, geometrical optics. Now actually ray optics, first you know the meaning of a ray. What is ray? Ray is nothing, it is a path of a light. As we say, light is traveling, so the path of a light is called ray. Okay, and when we study a collection of ray of light, it is called beam of light. And single ray of light, a single beam of light, is called monochromatic light. Few words you must know in this chapter, the introduction of these words come. So before that you must have to aware about these words. Path of light is called ray, beam of light, a collection of ray of light. When we collect a ray of light, collection is referred to beam of light, and single beam of light is called monochromatic light. Okay, now we have to know three words in this chapter: converging ray, diverging ray, and parallel ray. Converging ray is generally when ray meet at a point. Whenever ray come in and meet at a point, then this is known as converging ray. Now diverging ray, here what happened? Appear to meet. When ray appear to meet, but actually they not meet at that point, that is called diverging ray. And one is parallel ray, they meet at an infinity. They meet at an infinity. Okay, so this was our first part. Now I hope you like it. So now take a screenshot. We will discuss our second part. So here is the second part about light. The few terms we have also know about the light. Okay, so that's one we have discussed that. Actually, light is a form of energy which gives sensation. When light comes in front of us, what happens? It gives sensation to see an object clearly. Another point, light always travel in a straight line. Light, we all know that light always travel in a straight line, and this property is called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, a speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second in air and vacuum. So it means the speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Okay, sir. Light does not require medium to travel. It means light can travel in vacuum. So it does not require any medium to travel. Light travel in vacuum. It means they does not require any medium to travel. So we say that light has a transverse wave. It means light is a transverse wave. Light has a dual nature. In our language, we say light has a dogla nature. Dogla means two natures. So what we say dual nature means? It means they carry both particles and energy. How can we observe, sir? When we close the room, dark room, and when you see a sunlight coming inside, you say there is a particles in between them. So we observe that light has a particles and it has an energy. How we observe? You go in a sunlight, you see when sun ray hit your skin, you feel heat. How you feel? It happens because of energy. Okay. So we say that light is a dual nature. It means they carry both particles and energy. And the smallest packet of particles or energy, we call it as a photon. A smallest packet of energy or particles is called photons. A speed of light changes when it travels from one medium to another medium. Listen, this topic we study in this chapter, but in a refraction of light. But before that, I mentioned here, so that few things you right now know, that not makes much difficulty when we come inside the chapter. So what? The speed of light changes when it travels from one medium to another due to change in its wavelength. Because it happens because change in its wavelength. It means its distance. It does not carry so much distance, wavelength. Now, one more point come in front of us, that it means when light travels from one medium to another medium, not only a speed of light change, also wavelength will change. Got it? 2 points we get here. Light is an electromagnetic wave. It means light has an electromagnetic wave. It means light has an electric field and magnetic field. Got it? So, it is, what does they try to explain us? See, this one is an electric field and this one is a magnetic field. So, in electric and magnetic field, light travel like this. In an electric and magnetic field, light travel like this. Okay? Suppose this is light motion and this is electric field and magnetic field. So, light travel like this. Okay? It means light always travel perpendicular to electric and magnetic field. It means light, they travel perpendicular in electric and magnetic field. I hope up to here you have clear. This is our basic diagram of this chapter. Now we are coming to our next part, reflection of light. So if you like this content, you tell me, so that we bring new session. If your response is good, then we carry this session ahead. Okay? Take care. Bye.